Pillar is important for a community like ours because there's approximately 300,000 people that live in the Webb County area. And unfortunately, we have less than 30 mental health providers to service these individuals.
About 35 to 40% of our population is below the poverty level. So because of that, a lot of the people that we have here have no insurance.
Pillar offers individual and group counseling services. We also provide educational presentations to entities in the community that want to learn more about issues that pertain to behavioral health care, substance use issues, and we also have a 24-hour crisis helpline.
This place saved my marriage. They provided the counseling and it was free of charge. I had looked into other ones before coming here, but they were very expensive, even with having insurance.
We also have a lot of people come in because they're having issues with relationships, albeit familial or romantic relationships.
We all have the same goal, and that is to make a difference. So every chance we get to do that, I know it happens because I see it firsthand. And it happened to me being a non-employee, but actually being a client here, going through sexual assault at 16. And knowing what was happening to me, but not speaking up. I don't want to be a victim, I want to be a survivor. And I give that advice to whoever watches this, that whatever happened to you is not your fault. Wake up every day and be a warrior, be a survivor. Don't be a victim and don't talk yourself down.
Here in Webb County, within the last 8 years, there's been a total of over 130 suicide-related deaths. Almost 50% of those deaths occurred amongst people 25 years of age or younger.
I came back 3 months ago because my sister passed away and I was feeling suicidal. So since this place had already helped me in the past, I had to come back for help, and they've helped me.
Here in Laredo, we've noticed that a lot of people tend to deal with issues that are rooted in economic situations, lack of transportation. And so we have to factor all those things in. Living on the border, there's also a lot of issues with immigration. So people are living in Webb County here illegally, and so they're afraid to seek out help. But to me, the bigger issue is our culture hasn't quite embraced behavioral health care services. There's still a huge stigma that's attached to accessing those services. And so Pillar's role, like other entities in town, is really to educate and make people aware of the value that behavioral health care services can bring to an individual's life.
I want to say thank you to, first of all, the people who helped fund it, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have been able to, continue my life without my sister or save my marriage.
I don't know where I would be without it. I don't know how far I would have gone in my goals, and just all the support in general, everything I felt I lacked growing up, I feel like I'm getting now.
Partners like Methodist Healthcare Ministries have certainly helped us by opening doors, by giving us some resources so we can expand our service capacity. And at the end of the day, I want to believe that we have saved a lot of lives because we have seen a dip in suicide-related deaths, and one can only assume or believe that it has to do with a lot of the collective efforts from people under Pillar and those that we partner with.